Come here. Come here. Hey, I know. Thank you. Ow, 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 ow. Don't bite me. Aren't we friends? Ow. You know, I smell like another cat. That's why he's acting crazy, right? I know. I've had other friends too. That's why I smell like them. Come here. Let's make peace. Oh, sorry. Oh, hey, hey. Can I pet you, please? No. Oh. Come on. Oh. You're a naughty little thing. Oh, I know I smell like that, but you can trust me. Come on. Okay, she's sensitive about other cats, right? But when she sees food, she's not sensitive at all, right? She's a nice cat now, nicest cat ever, right? She doesn't care at all if I smell like other cats or not. Okay, take care, okay?